supposed to go face first.
Face first.
Face first.
And then he lands on her back.
Just float, if you can float. Okay, you're not really that great at that.
I was about to say, you might want to let her use the goggles. They're kind of complimentary.
Yeah. Let me do it. Okay. Sanitize.
That's what chlorine is for. Seriously, I have to expect her to push him in.
I'm okay.
Buddy!
Buddy.
Oh no, 2 floaters. Save her, buddy! Save him! Save him, buddy! Go get him! Go get him, buddy! Save Zach! Go get him! Get him, buddy! Get him! Save him!
What?
Just pull him in.
No.
Watch as he goes right to Zach, I'm sure.
Huh?
Pull him in.
Pull him in?
Yeah. Now watch as he goes and tries to save Zach. Or not. I guess he changed his mind. Sorry, Zach, he's not going to save you. Let him out. And the fun part is he wants right back in. Sorry about that. His claws are too long because of my... Well, go get him then. Go save him. You know how. Go save him.
But I mean, I like that for like when you have to...
Before Super pushes you in.
I think it'd be better for is reading the 100.
So, do you feel important? Or actually, I think it's Buddy's motto of "I save girls." Sorry, Zach, you're out of luck. He left you to die.